How to remove payment card on Macy's app.
The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Macy's is already installed on a device. If not, you can head over to your app store and then install it. Once you have it on your device, open the app. Here, you have to enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and simply log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, what you want to do is head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. In here, tons of different options will be visible to you. But you have to head over to the option Wallet. Once you click on Wallet, it will show you all the list of the card that you have added in this Macy's app. If you find the card that you want to remove, then what you want to do is simply click on it. Once you click on it, at the bottom, you'll see the option of Remove. Click on Remove. After that, your payment card will be removed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove payment card on Macy's app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.